Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever and whenever you're watching this video. This is your friend Joseph and welcome to my YouTube channel, Till the Room View. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The camera looks really small, I would say. Let's open this plastic. Wow. The packaging looks really nice. So I think we'll have to open it from the bottom. So as it says GoPro Hero 7 Black, and the sticker here it says gimbal like stabilization, the feature known as hyper smooth. So the features are mentioned on the side of the box. This camera has 12 megapixel lens. You can shoot up to 4K at 60 fps and 1080 pixel at 240 fps. This camera is waterproof until the depth of 10 meters. The voice commands are also available on this camera. You can just focus it by touching the screen. You can shoot the super slow-mo videos at X of speed. GPS is enabled. You can shoot also HDR photos. It has hyper smooth stabilization and you can also live stream the video. So let's open up the camera. Remove this seal from the bottom. This is how. So this is the camera. This looks really small and sturdy, with a rubber finish and a completely black color. So the camera is mounted on this mount, and I think that all the accessories required will be inside this box. Now let's remove this camera from this mount. To open this mount, there is a little this thing. You have to push it up first, then press this and slide the camera. Okay, so our camera is out. So the camera is out now. Let's put this camera aside for a second. Let's see what's inside this box. So okay, so we have a really small looking GoPro battery. This battery is a 1200 milliampere battery. Then we have a couple of mounts. One is a flat mount and another is a curve mount. This you can use to mount your GoPro on your helmet. Plus we have this USB to USB-C cable to charge and transfer your data from your GoPro to your laptop or computer. So this is all you get in the GoPro box. Now let's remove this GoPro from the frame. Open the frame and your GoPro will just pop out from the frame. So this is the frame and this is the mount. So let's keep this aside. So this is the GoPro Hero 7. It looks really small actually. See the size of this. And by the fit and finish, this looks really strong. So the screen you see behind the camera is just a sticker. So let's sticker we have removed. But first of all, we'll have to insert the battery. This port here, this is for the Type C and USB mini port to transfer your data and charge your camera. Plus, you have to enter your battery here and memory card. Okay, so now let's insert the battery and micro SD card in it. So the battery goes inside this camera, I suppose, in this way. Now let's start the camera. Press this button on right for 3 seconds. Oh, the camera is already started. It shows GoPro branding on the screen. So first it is asking for language. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please press the like button below, subscribe to my channel. And wait. As I've shown you at the beginning, there is a surprise for you at the end. So the surprise is here. Check out a new intro for my channel. See you in the next video with more automotive content. Till then, ciao.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro.